my girl so rare. Cruising in our CanAm Spyder so true, through the curvy roads in a sky so blue. Eastern PA calls with its hills so high. Western PA answers under the sky. Sun above and the open air. Hand in hand, there's no need to choose. Just me, my girl.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
It's already afternoon. Wow.
Yep.
We're out for a ride. It's August 4th. It's a Tuesday, I believe. Enjoying the weather and just going for a little ride. Blow the dust off us. So come along, and because we don't know where we're going.
You say that all the time, though.
And it's true.
Say,
We have a general direction, but where we end up, who knows?
where are we?
Hawk Hollow Road.
Hawk Hollow Road.
There we go. We don't know where this goes, but we'll find out soon.
Just one of these roads that you gotta explore to find out where it ends.
That's
80.
422,
Oh, wow. 422.
I think. That's what it says on the GPS.
Wow. Cool.
And it looks like they had a little washout here or something.
I like how they have eggs for sale, but they got a closed sign on it.
Yeah.
And it's a cooler.
Chickens are on strike.
Yeah.
It's a pretty neat road. I like it. We're waiting for that big bear to come out.
I was just thinking that.
Hey,
It's like a bear or a deer road.
Hey, bear. And yeah.
And yuck what?
Oh, I thought it turned into dirt. One lane bridge ahead.
Well, that was a one-lane bridge too.
Really? Wow. We don't know where we're going. Stop. Okay, we'll
In
stop.
the name of love. Wow.
Okay.
You know where this goes? Into Katanning.
Okay, it goes into Canyon.
The thoughts are ringing loud inside my head, a tangled web of every word I wish I'd said. He grabbed the keys and we rode into the light and traded the thought for a path of green. hum of the road in the open sky as the heavy-hearted worries start to pass me by. The asphalt melts into a winding country lane, where fields of corn chase away the mental strain. A sudden breeze is catching up to cool my sails, and time is slowing down to match this steady pace. The overhead wires play a hummed electric tune beneath the lazy orange of afternoon, and my heavy thoughts are spinning off the rubber trail. With every mile of open highway lying straight ahead, quiet rhythm of the engine takes the weight. No time to worry about the future or the lake. Just the hum of the rubber and the open sky as the heavy-hearted worries
And out of nowhere.
start to pass
Wow.
me
It's a
by.
Must be
That's
an
a-
oil well or
yeah.
something.
wow. I was trying to think Armageddon,
I'm getting.
and I couldn't think of it.
We need. Build the rig. Move the rig. That was on Ford City Road.
Ford City Road. Sorry.
It's all right, honey.
3-wheel stay in a vibrant shade of blue, chasing down the horizon with the world in view. Oh, let the miles roll by.
Some things
Wow,
are
look at that.
just so pretty. It's just like,
Just
wow.
another road to greet
That's a
brand
lot of
new
work,
day.
though.
Side
Yep.
by side, mile by mile, the journey is the prize. With good friends along an adventure in our eyes. Stopped a while for lunch at a local biker spot, trading tales and laughter where the country air is hot. Through the winding roads and fields of grain, making memories if you know what we mean. Don't need to rush the time or worry where we land. Just holding to the rhythm of this open low command. Yeah. Oh, let the miles roll by, let the worries fade away. Just another open road to greet a brand new day. Side by side and mile by mile, the journey is the prize. With good friends along an adventure in our eyes.
That's like Marianne, though. Marianne has I think it's a half-mile driveway with a bridge. And so her husband had to get a tractor.
So you could plow.
Yep.
Oh, this is Horseshoe Drive.
I think I can handle it. Now you just said I don't have to.
Oh,
Horseshoe Drive.
giddy up.
Giddy up, bow, 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 bow.
Giddy up. Must be the humidity making us delirious.
Good at that. Well, if the Joneses have a big house, we Smiths have to have a big house too.
I guess we're gonna go straight, I guess. I don't know. Where do you want to go?
I don't care.
Oh, well.
Oh, wow.
Well, I missed that and I had the radio on. Come up that hill and it was like, wow, what a view. I might be able to cut out that music, but we'll see. Sweet home. You had a beautiful day for a ride. I'm glad you came along with us.
Thank you for
And don't forget,
riding with
subscribe,
us
like,
today.
comment.
Making memories that
Give it to
won't
us.
fade away.
Yeah.
Miles keep rolling me and
And
you.
thanks to our subscribers we have. If you haven't already subscribed, please do.
Every moment feels the same. If the wind, our hearts stay true. Always me and you in blue. Laughing loud with the sky so wide. Adventures calling from every side. Through the curves, the road shines new. Guided by our trusted blue. Side by side through the sun and rain. Every moment feels the same.